Alright, it's been 2 weeks since I checked up on this urban worm bag with, what do we have in here? The blue worms. Blue worms. Nice, there's no gnats in this, yay. I don't see any, a lot of, what do you call those, red mites so far. Doesn't mean I don't have any, but just means I don't see a lot of them. Okay, let's see what we have here. No, it's still hard even though there's nothing in the middle. And that corn cob. When I opened this up, there was a bunch of them. Then they all dove down. Moisture's good in here. Not too much. Let's see what kind of critters I see in here besides the worms. I see some beetles. Jalapeno. Just broke that up open. Maybe they'll be able to get into it now. There's some skins of various different types. Oh, look, a baby. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. There's a bunch of mites right here. And they're congregated around the jalapenos. Which makes sense because they're trying to break open the skin. I think if they were broken into beforehand, you wouldn't see as many red mites in one spot. Still hard. Too hard for me to break it open. I'm doing well. Oh, there's a baby. If you can see it, but there's a baby on the back of this. It's right there. Baby on the back of the worm. Another baby. Okay, focus. Alright. Doing well, doing well, doing well. Okay. Well, since they're growing, and it'll be another 2 weeks since I will get to check in on them again. Going out of town for a couple weeks. Oh, look, baby. Ugh, come on, baby. There you go. Alright, let's put some ground eggshells, pulverized eggshells. And their food. Giving them a big bag of food. See how they do on it for 2 weeks. This food, I believe, is compliments of my neighbors. Oh, let's see what they have here. A bunch of fruit, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. What is this? Avocado, cilantro, zucchini. Let's see what they have here. Raspberries. Some eggshells. Some lettuce. What is this? Oh, this is a carrot. Carrot. Let me crush these up. Oh, looks like some romaine, bell pepper, cuties or tangerines. There's more eggshells. Lemon. I think this is lemon. No, it's not. It's a yellow squash. Some more avocado. Artichoke heart. Let's see, what is that? Looks like this could be part of aloe vera. Not quite sure though. More fruit, strawberries, coffee grounds, used coffee grounds. Alright, I think they'll do well on these different types of food. More oranges. Ugh. Let me get all this stuff off of me. Avocado. Yeah, they'll do good. Okay. And more bedding that has crushed mosquito dunks in it. And I can smell that coffee. It smells like vanilla. I think that's it for this week. Actually, for 2 weeks, for the next 2 weeks. They really look good. Nice and healthy and strong. There's even some worms on the plastic. Alright, doing well. Thank you for coming on this journey with me, and we will see you in 2 weeks.